everything along the way. And one of the most aspect nga commonly ginahimo sa mga public speaker nga ako nanonotice kay although ay ko chance sa to mag-practice wala to improve my public speaking skill, but then mahilig ako maglantaw sa mga TED Talks, etc. Mahilig ko magpamati sa mga TED Talks. Kag commonly ang ila ginaobra sa mga public speaker is they share something about themselves and they really use words nga madali maintindihan kag maka-relate, gagamit pag sila sa mga examples nga in relation sila topic nga maka-relate sa audience. Kag amon ako himuon subong gani i-post ko anay. Now, what I'm going to talk about is on the spot ko man siya ginpanumdom is that the difference between motivation and determination. Now, some says that motivation and determination are the same. Kay they have similar, though they have a connection when it comes sa ilang definition. But then when we analyze and think about it deeply, it differs differently. Now, motivation is when we are being inspired about something that help us to keep going. Nga kumbaga ang motivation may rason gid taya nga kung naman gapadayon kita. Kag ang aton nga for example labi mga progress nga in relation sa motivation is nakadepende sa for example sa rason nga in relation dabi sa person nga imo nagiging rason kung naman ginaobra mo ang isa ka goal with the mindset of being motivated. Now, determination is when we are sure or willing about something. It is when we are determined to achieve everything or anything no matter what. Kag ang determination amo ni siya ang isa sa mga pinaka-powerful aspect when it comes sa pag-achieve sang goal. Kaya no matter unmotivated or motivated you are, you keep going. Kay determinado ka nga daan i-achieve ang isa ka bagay nga gusto mo. Kag no matter how much pila ka beses na fail, nagatry ka mangyapon. And amo nila difference. Kaya motivation sa aton labi, for example sa aton life, is although a good thing man siya to inspire us to keep going, but then if we are just going to use this as a mindset throughout sa nagiging progress ta sa aton goal, is hindi ni siya long term effective. Kay once nga daan nga mag-aabot ang time nga hindi na ta bala motivated nga madula ning motivation, or for example labi ang very person nga aton nga nagiging rason para kung naman ga progress kita towards sa isa ka goal is muna ning nadula bala sila kag nadula naman imo na nagiging reason to feel motivated, then madula ina kag amo na dira dason hindi siya effective long termly. Kay may siya do may condition sa bala, may variable siya. Kumbaga sa isa ka higot may limit lang kag amo ni ang motivation although may good effect, may good advantage, it also brings a lot of disadvantages man. That's why para sa akon is hindi ni siya effective long termly, pero kung short term effective ni siya. For example labi kung gusto naton mag-obra sang isa ka bagay tapos kinahanglan ta bala rason ng mga short term bala. For example labi mag-obra sang birthday gift, mga muna bala nga bagay mga short term, then ang motivation is a very good thing to use as a reason to keep us going to achieve something short termly. But then, ang determination, amo naman sa ang effective long-termly. Kay ilogan na isa akong gihambal, no matter how much you are feeling unmotivated, or inang pasuko ka na bala, kapoy ka, everything. But then, if you have this kind of mindset, when it comes sa pag-achieve sang goal, you can keep going actually. Kumbaga, ikaw nga person, paway ka lang, mabreak ka, pero lakat ka naman liwat. Dumuna bala. Amo na siyang determination. Kagining determination is something has a deeper meaning kumpara sa motivation. Kaya ang determination niya, it comes within sa aton self. Kag ang pinaka main reason ko naman, miyara kita determination is for our own good commonly. Now, it is not called selfishness. Hindi ni sa kung di porke you are determined over for your own good, meaning sa not selfish ka na dason. No, it's not. It's just that we want the best for ourselves. That's why we are determined to continue to achieve our goals long termly no matter what. Kag ang determination, although isa ni sa mga mabudlay i-maintain consistently. Kay since ara sa nga dan sa tunga sang motivated kag feeling unmotivated, medyo kung waay ka wala ginatawag pagid nga resilience kag consistency is hindi mo man siya masyado magamit. That's why it needs other variables. It needs another reason pagid bala to support your determination, which is amo to gani akong gihambal atong resilience and consistency, wherein miski bala ang resilience is when you're facing problems or anything difficulty toward sa imo progress sa imo goal, is gapadayon ka mangyapon you are resilience. Kumaga sa mga Pinoy, hambal nila mga Pinoy kuno resilience, it is because miski damo kita kuno problema, for example mga bagyo, lindol, etc., is nakukuha man naton gyapon nga magpadayon kag magngisi. Amo nang resilience. Kag ang consistency is when you are repeating, when you are keep going over something sa time frame nga imong set sa imong kagalingon. For example, labi, you are being called consistent when you are studying every day. Nan amo nang consistent. Kumaga adlaw-adlaw mo nga ginahimo no matter what, kung ano man imo sitwasyon, feelings, or mga justifiable reason towards sa for example, labi kung gusto mo bala maguntat na may mga excuses ka, but then miski ga excess na you keep going. Kagang tawag sina sa imo is consistency. That's why they differ differently. They are not the same, although they have connection when it comes man sila nga meaning or definition. But when we think about this differently, or pinakadalom nga think, is kag kung naiintindihan paginin naton siya in a more different aspect or point of view, then we can say nga they are not the same. Kag para sa akon, ang determination is one of the most effective, in my own opinion, one of the most effective aspect nga kinahanglan miara ang isa ka person to really achieve their goals. Kay the point of achieving the goals is not when you are